and it's starting to heat up, and you guys should see the steam soon. There it goes. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera. Yeah, you can. Oh shoot!
That's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY video, and we're going to be doing an at-home facial. I know Mother's Day is coming up, and some of you guys want to treat your mom extra special and don't really have any ideas, so here's an idea. I'm going to show you guys the things that you'll need to do this at-home facial, and then we're going to just get straight into this video. Okay, to begin, we're going to be cleansing our face, so you're going to need some kind of facial soap, and ooh, this is what I'll be using. And I'll be using my spin brush to cleanse my face as well. You're also going to be exfoliating, so you're going to need some kind of facial scrub, and I'll be using an apricot facial scrub. We're also going to be steaming our face, obviously, and I'm going to be using my steamer. And yes, this is a steamer for clothes, but I'm using it for my face. If you guys don't have a steamer, you can just put some water to boil, and after it's boiled, oh my goodness, this light. And after it's boiled, just put it in a bowl and put your face over the bowl. Guys, I really apologize for the light, but I have no control over the sun, so I have to take what I get. But anyways, back to this video. Just put some water to boil, put it in a bowl, and put your face over the bowl. And you're also going to need a towel or some kind of cloth to put over your head while you're steaming to trap all of the heat and steam. And I think that's it. Oh, you're also going to need a moisturizer for your face for after you steam. Mine is over there, but I'll show you guys when it's time to moisturize. And yeah, that's it. So I'm about to go wash my face and then come back and start the process. Okay, so now my face is cleansed, and now I'm gonna exfoliate. And the purpose of the exfoliating is to unblock the surface of the skin, and that's gonna allow the products to, oh, I am turning green. Anyways, allow the products to get into the skin better, so that's what we're gonna do. And to exfoliate, you need a damp face, so just put back on some water and dig it. I'm just gonna take some of the scrub, and ooh, that's a lot. Okay, I don't need any more of that. And just apply in circular motions so that the beads penetrate my skin and clear the surface for the steam to get in. And I'm gonna do all under my chin as well. And I usually get the most whiteheads and blackheads around my nose area, so I'm gonna focus on that for a bit, as well as my chin. And I'm also gonna do behind my eyebrows, or underneath my eyebrows, sorry. And you're to leave this on for 30 seconds. I suggest that while you're doing this, you can have the water on to boil if you guys don't have a steamer, so that it doesn't take too much time after you've removed the facial scrub. So just put the water on to boil and you're good to go. Okay, so I finished removing the facial scrub and I'm done exfoliating. I forgot to tell you guys that if you want, you can use an essential oil to create the aura of a spa for your mom or yourself or whoever you're doing the facial for. And it's a good way to bond and just create all of those smells and just have a good time. I'm also gonna add some music, and you guys can do that too, because in movies, you know, the spas have the music and you just relax and fall asleep and all that jazz. So I'm gonna find some music and add to this video for you guys so that we can be in a spot. To steam, you guys can also soak some towels in some warm water and put them over your face, but to me that doesn't last as long because the towels start to cool really fast. So I advise using a bowl and covering your head, or using your steamer and covering your head. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm just gonna add a few drops of the oil to my steamer and then turn it on and let it start to boil, which I should have been doing when I was exfoliating, but this doesn't take as long as a kettle, so I'm just gonna do that and start to steam. And it's starting to heat up, and you guys should see the steam soon. There it goes. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera. Yeah, you can. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Okay guys, so that little accident was because I had too much lavender oil. So this is the steam right now, and I'm just about to put my face over this and then put a towel over my head for 10 minutes. I'm not sure how to record myself doing that, so I'll just come back after I've finished steaming and we'll apply the mask and then remove that and moisturize our face. So let's get into steaming. Let's get into steaming. Okay guys, so I was only under that steamer for 5 minutes, and as you guys can see, that steamer had me sweating. So if you guys can get it done for 10 minutes, then kudos to you, but this 5 minutes almost killed me. I know this is not water, this is sweat. Like, my pores better be open, and my hair also got a bit of steaming. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but whew, I'm gonna cool off for a bit and then we're gonna apply the mask. I'm gonna be applying my tea tree deep cleansing facial mask, and I know you guys have seen this before. That steamer really opened my pores and my nostrils. So yeah, I'm just gonna be applying this. And if you guys don't already have a store-bought mask, you can make your own mask. I have a ton of videos of DIY masks, so you can just go in your kitchen, see what you have, and just make your own mask. I'm going to be leaving on this mask for 10 minutes and let it work its magic. And after I take it off, I'm going to be using some apple cider vinegar as a toner for my face. If you guys have any other toners, you can use those. But this is what I'll be using. And then I'll be moisturizing. I have to go get the moisturizer for my face still. But yeah, so just leave this on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I tone. And if you guys really want to give her that spa feeling, just let her lie down and apply some cucumbers to her eyes and just wait for that 10 minutes to pass. I don't think mine are going to stay up because I'm upright, but just leave them on like this. My 10 minutes has passed, so I'm about to go remove this mask and come back to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be using my apple cider vinegar to tone, and I'm just going to put a bit of it on this cotton wool ball and then apply it to my face. I'm gonna let that absorb a bit, and then I'm gonna use my cocoa butter and body butter mixture to moisturize my face, and then that will be the end of this facial. So I think it's in there enough, and I'm just gonna apply some of that to get all glowy and stuff. I'm gonna put it on my T-zone, and my cheeks and all over, and I'm just gonna massage it in. And now I look like a greasy fish cake. Okay, I think I took out too much, but I don't think there's any such thing as over moisturizing, so and there you have it, some glowy steamed skin. I know that I want the light to hit me. It's not hitting me, but you guys can see the glow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I gave you an idea for a Mother's Day gift. If you guys do try this facial, tag me on Instagram so I can see, and I hope I helped in some way. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.